I welcome you to our platform, sir. This is Priyanshu Goyal, and we are going to discuss and we are going to gather your thoughts on the education scenario currently persisting in India. So, my first question to you is, you have held key positions at education institutes throughout your professional career. So, what keeps you connected with the education sector, and how has your experience been so far with the institute?
Okay, thank you, Pianshu, giving me this opportunity to talk with the College Dunia. So the question you have asked that I'm currently working as a principal in Kalari Charitable Trust, RG Sabka College of Pharmacy.
Yes, sir.
So throughout my professional career, that I have connected with this education system as different bodies which regulate the education system, higher education system in India,
Yes,
like
sir.
AICTE, and specifically for the pharmacy, that Pharmacy Council of India. And the various means we have affiliated to the Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune.
Yes,
And so according to that, whatever their curriculum, rules, regulation, okay, and their meetings and their various programs they have carried out for the education system. So according through their platform, we are connected to that education sector, and we are also connecting to the students too much. And in my professional career, so my institute has giving a opportunity to all the students, employees, and their whatever the faculty we have work here. So they give the freedom for the development of the student, their career. That's all.
right, sir. Sir, I'll just move to the another question. So my question to you is, being the principal of RG Sabkal College of Pharmacy, what is your philosophy of leadership, and how would you describe your leadership style?
So actually, my leader is it's a big word. Actually, I'm working as in a academic or education sector.
Right.
If you see the industrial sector and academic education sector, there is a difference.
Yes, sir.
But nowadays, leader, it should be a which benefit to the both to the employee, employer, and student also.
Right,
That
sir.
is my philosophy about the leader. And if you see the describe leadership style, so nowadays leadership in a education sector, that is one of the, he should be or she should be a instructor, facilitator, and
Yes.
administrator. That's
right, sir. So basically, what you are trying to say is we should be, carrying forward the participatory leadership.
yeah.
Right, sir. Sir, my next question to you is, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your college, like being the principal of this college?
Actually, my institute is situated in the North Maharashtra region of the Nasik.
Yes.
And it's in the village area basically. And we reach to the people, student, through various types of social activities. So we are conducting various activities which is governed by the University of Pune and AICTE, small activities or any type of blood donation, then eye checkup camp, and whatever this type of activities. Through these activities, we reach to the people, or then we reach to the people or different newspapers, news channels. By this way, we are making the advertisement of my institution. And then through the various TV channels, we are giving some advertisement about the various facilities which are provided by our institute to the student.
Right.
We are also providing some banners in the various cities of India, and we are coordinated through our faculty members or some HR team members. That's all.
Right, sir. Sir, my next question to you is, how does the curriculum of RG Sabkal College of Pharmacy ensure the best practice in the industry?
So, honestly speaking, that our curriculum is basically adopted by the means we are adopting the curriculum of the Savitribai Phule University,
Right.
As well as Pharmacy Council of India. So that we are giving the student the best practices. That is we motivate the student for the innovation and invention, and also for the research. Okay, and that is a demand of today's world,
Yes.
or outside the world. Okay, so we are following the best practices, means we have to stick with the curriculum, and other than curriculum we are offering the various guest lectures, conferences, seminars. By this way the student can get the what is going on in outside the world.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Thank you so much. My next question to you is, any insights that you can give me of how your college could be more welcoming to the students of different races or economic backgrounds?
Okay, so in our institute we always welcome to any type of racial person or students.
Yes.
Okay, so there is no any difference. We are providing a good qualities of hostel facility, then academic facilities. We are also providing some educational loan systems to all the outsider student, or we also providing some scholarships as per the government of India.
Right.
So we are already we are carried out in every types of activity that will benefit to the any type of student.
Right, sir. Right, sir. So, sir, my next question to you is, what do you think, like being the principal of this college, what do you think your roles and responsibility to the college and the students are?
So actually, currently, as the government higher education authority of India, so they are making the rules stringent for any or every organization for accreditation purpose. So we have already accredited. We are accredited with the NAC Bangalore. So we
Yes.
have get a B+ accreditation. So we are in the process of getting the good grade, means A+. We are in the same process. And as my role and responsibility so nowadays that education is or everywhere, that outcome-based education is a very important part nowadays. So that I also work I already told you, I work as an instructor, facilitator, and teacher. That is my role and responsibility. And I always give the student as an industry-oriented types of education system, and they should be more familiar with the research. They have to develop the research qualities in they inculcate research quality in their self.
Right, sir.
And by this way it will helps to the nation and society.
Right, sir. Very well, sir. Sir, my next question to you is, what do you think, should the universities top priority or should the colleges top priority over the next 10 years?
So next 10 years, the quality, or what we call as a priority wise, I have to collaboration is a very important. Interdisciplinary collaboration or multidisciplinary collaboration, nowadays it is very important. Now that should be a develop. Research facilities should be a develop. Then we have a plan or priority to the student will get all the types of training, whatever the training is that will be get in the industry. That same type kind of training they will get here, and they will acquire all types of knowledge. Okay.
Right.
And we are try to develop one small scale industry in our institution, which is a pharmacy related one, means medicine related one.
Right, sir.
So pharmaceutical manufacturing small unit we need to develop, and we have here we have to get more accreditation. So by this way the more students will gather here or attracted here towards my institution, and
Right, sir.
should be a premier institute in future in the
Yes,
world,
exactly.
or in India also.
Right, sir. Very well, sir. So my next question to you would be, what would you like people to know about your college that they may not know currently?
So the platform like College Dunia, it is one of the platform. By this way that the people knows about my
Yes, sir.
institute. Then whatever the students, those who got the admission in the institute like NIPER, Mohali,
Yes.
means National Institute of Pharmaceutical
Yes.
Education
Yes. Right,
Research,
sir.
where my institute, from my institute, more than 10 students where they enrolled there. They got the admission in that particular institution through their GPAT competitive examination.
Right.
Okay, and that I will focus this such student. They are my what we call as a catching. They are my these people are catching to me everywhere.
Yes.
And another thing is that the people should know about my institute by carrying out the various types of activities, which may be a social
Yes.
related. Okay, and it will be help out through the people through different types of program like National Service Scheme and all that.
Right, sir. So, sir, we'll move ahead to second last question of this interview. So, I would like to ask you the greatest strength of RG Sapkal College of Pharmacy.
So, greatest strength is that institute take care of the people. The
Yes.
first strength.
That's
Then
right.
second, that we are providing the education to the student as per their curriculum, and we are not compromising anything in that about their education system or education.
Right, sir.
So these are greatest strength.
Very well, sir. So, sir, this is going to be my last question. So, I would like to ask you, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and for RG Sapkal College of Pharmacy specifically?
So if you see the current scenario in the world,
Yes.
so due to this pandemic corona situation, nowadays the people will get in one click they will get the answer of any type of question.
Exactly, sir.
And in future, I think there is if these things are online education system is a booming area in future.
Right, sir.
And means if you're sitting in your home, you will get the guidance from the UK also or US also of any
Right.
qualified teacher. So in that aspect, I have to develop such a professional staff, professional teacher
Right.
who have a good academic collaboration with the other institute. So I will hire such type of people, and they will get the benefit to the not only my student, also the other countries also. So this is the one of the biggest challenge. Challenge is basically what we call as a I have to attract the people, because nowadays everything is in one touch, but the students should become in your institute or college, and after getting there, whatever the facilities we have, means this is a 4-year course, and if they're satisfied, then we will attract the students in future. So that is my today's biggest challenge. So it means we have to change as per the situation. That is I think so.
Right, sir. So, sir, with this note, we would like to complete the interview. And, sir, so thank you so much for joining in, and thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. We hope to make this relationship stronger, and we hope to serve Sapkal Knowledge Hub in a better way. So
Thank you very much.
yes, sir. So I'll just stop recording now.